Whoa! Well, it might be Halloween and I'm definitely a scary mug to be looking at, but we're wicking in the dark tonight, Rick.
We're wicking in the dark.
Yeah, so we're in your Volvo. This is a new requirement of yours.
Yeah, it's my grown-up vehicle.
And you're not happy with this stereo
And
here.
it doesn't have Apple CarPlay, and that just will not do.
So are we going to fix that right now?
So Rick tells me he's a professional now at fitting
I'm
these.
not a professional. Anyone who watched the Astra video saw me struggle, but nah, I didn't really. Yeah, I'm pretty good. Never done one of these. But,
so let's sit back and watch Rick do some work.
like I ain't done enough today. Right, let's get cracking.
Oh, straight in with the old pry tools. Let me get some light on the job for you.
Yeah, they're always a bugger, aren't they?
Oh.
One green plug at the back.
What's that for, Rick?
Hazard switch.
Hazard switch.
I'll move that out of the way. This is where the fun begins. Bring on the music.
Cue the music. What we found? Some more screws.
More screws. Story of my life. Like so.
Oh, it's a bit dusty in there, Rick.
Yeah, probably first people in here since factory, but who knows?
Who knows?
Right, so we've got to get this old unit out, I think, which is held in by 7 or 8mm bolts, so I'm going to have to go get some tools, Rick, and...
No, that in it.
Yeah, this here.
Top bits there.
Yeah, no, there's some at the back here, because we're going to have to take all this out of the shroud off to get access to these.
Oh yeah. Let's leave that in.
No, I doubt it. I'll go get some tools. Making me nervous, Rick. I can't see what I'm doing.
Breathing down your neck.
Rick's taken over and undoing the last 2 wires.
Maybe I'm a professional as well.
Give my arms a rest.
Right, got that garbage out the way. Wires. There's a lot of wires. Not entirely sure. So what have we got? I'm going to guess that one goes on there.
Yep, do the eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
I mean, I don't know where that goes. Oh, that will go into the stereo.
Yeah, we'll go into the original. No. Yeah, no, you're right.
What are these jazzy ones?
Well, when we look at the stereo, actually, I'm going to pause a sec, Rick. While you have a quick play around and try and figure out some of this wiring, I'm going to have a look at the back of the stereo and see what we actually need.
Yeah, that's maybe a good
Sound
way
plan.
to go.
Sound plan.
Oh, we've got plugs here as well, look.
There's plugs everywhere. Right, we'll figure this out. Back in a sec.
Okay, Rick, what do we think?
Yeah.
There is some wires, isn't there?
There's only a few wires. We have obviously done this off camera just to, as you can see, that we had to figure out 1 or 2 wires. We weren't sure where they went, but no, there's a bazillion wires. This is probably one of the most technical ones I've come across, Rick, to be honest with you. In terms of, would I recommend it for your average DIYer? Probably not. No. But we're pretty convinced it's going to work. We've done a little test, so we know we've got power, we know we've got sound. Whether we put it all back together and it still works, Rick,
That's a whole different matter, isn't it?
that's a whole new ball game, mate. But I suppose we best get cracking right now.
Yeah, let's have a go. What are we videoing?
Well, we're clipped in, Rick.
Clipped in. The clips aren't very good, are they?
No, we could do some new ones, but for now, because we're working in the dark,
Yeah.
and we have just installed it, but it's looking pretty sweet.
Looks better than the original one, doesn't
The
it?
big question is, does it work?
Well, we've got to take this off first.
Oh, very
Now it
nice.
looks better.
Very nice. Right. Oh, look at that. Okay, so after some playing about, we're finally set up and working. We got no sound.
Might need to.
We have got sound. Not too loud though, Rick. Don't be getting copyright strikes. But yeah,
We've got Apple CarPlay and sound.
does that make you happy?
That's literally all I needed.
That's all you wanted?
This whole exercise was just to do that.
Okay, so is this whole exercise paid off, Rick? Was it worth it?
I'll get back to you.
He's thinking about it.
No, I think it is.
So to anybody with a Volvo, I mean, I've done one of these in the Astra. Looking at it, it looks, you know, pretty factory. It's quite nice. Looks the part. Still have all your original functionality, let's point out. So there is a CD player here, that still works.
Do we have to teach it
all of
this?
your controls? Yeah, no, they are working, look. So no, you don't have to teach you anything, look. All your
there it is.
heating functions.
Heated seats. Oh yeah.
Yeah, so all that's working. What about your steering wheel controls? I'm assuming they're working.
Yeah.
Yep, happy with that. So CAN bus is set up, it's got your CarPlay, that's all you wanted.
That's literally all I wanted.
You get sat nav now. Well, did this model have sat nav anyway?
Yeah, had sat nav anyway.
No, so we already had sat nav, so there's no upgrade there.
Yeah, but now I've got better sat nav.
Got better sat nav. So yeah, that's if you ask me, Rick, it's a job worth doing. I think it's a job well done. I can feel that roasty toasty seat warmer kicking in already. Yeah. That's lovely. It's nice on these cold winter nights that we're going to be having in the next couple of weeks.
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
So we'll come back with a review at a later date if it's no good, but in the meantime, Rick's happy.
I'm happy.
He's got his CarPlay, and to anyone who's thinking of installing this, as I did say earlier, we'll point out again,
it's maybe not a first time
home DIY car stereo install, is it? I mean, yeah, it's a great functions, adds all that features if you don't have them.
It's not bad, but there's a lot of bits to take on.
Yeah, and a lot more wires than anticipated as well, Rick.
Yeah.
But in the meantime, you can play with it, give an update review later if it's no good, but in the meantime, happy, worth the upgrade, but that's yet to be seen.
Yeah, no, it's good. I like it. It's good.
Cool. Right, well, that's it for today, I'm assuming, Rick.
Yeah, that'll do. It is 20 to 9.
Definitely tea time.
So I think we're ready for some tea, aren't we?
Yeah, definitely tea time. Been a long day. Both worked about 12 hours so far already, so as far as I'm concerned, job well done. We will come back to this anyway because we've got a couple of clips to replace, as Rick pointed out. They are latching, but you don't ever want it popping out.
Yeah, we want it a bit more secure than
going over a speed bump. They don't give you half this stuff in the kit, which is always a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
But right, well, for me, I'm done and ready for tea.
I'm definitely ready for tea.
So until the next one,
catch you on the next one.
Catch you next one.